Yo! What up guys? My name is AJ Lastimosa at ngayon samahan niyo akong pumunta sa Baclaran Church dahil bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting kaalaman about sa Baclaran Church. Kaya
The National Shrine of Our Mother of Perpetual Help na kilala bilang Redemptionist Church and colloquially as the Baclaran Church. This church is dedicated on December 5, 1958. The capacity of this church are 2,000 if the people are sitting and 9,000 if the people are standing. Ito ay mayroong length na 350 feet, 118 feet na width, 71 feet na height, at floor area na 54,564 square feet. Let me share this to you. The church enshrines the icon of Our Lady of Perpetual Help and is one of the largest Marian churches in the Philippines. Devotion to Our Mother of Perpetual Help is popular amongst Filipino Catholics and gave rise to the devotees who flood the church every Wednesday to attend Mass and pray the novena to Our Mother of Perpetual Help. In Manila, Wednesdays are popularly called Baclaran Day due to constant roads bought on by pilgrims to the shrine. The original icon and shrine above the main altar came from Germany and passed through Ireland and Australia before peace of the Redemptorist Order. At yan ang konting kaalaman about Baclaran Church. Sana meron kayong natutunan. Salamat! Yo, what up guys? So nakauwi na kami ng dorm at galing kami Baclaran Church. At yun lang, sana guys may natutunan kayo kahit konti about Baclaran Church. And yun, so again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. So, thank you!